technical terms related to a lens. Number one, center of curvature. If you see convex lens or concave lens, and when you imagine a line or curve from the outer surface of lens, then you will get the circle or circular path. Now, if you see the center of the circle, these centers you can see here now C1 and C2, which are called the center of curvature. Number two, radius of curvature. If you see the distance from optical center to the center of curvature, this O and C1 and C2, or distance between O and C1 or distance between O and C2. This is called radius of curvature. Number three, principal axis. If you draw a line through the points C1 and C2 or through the center of curvature C1 and C2, this straight line is known as principal axis. Number four, if you see the O or in the center of the lens, this O is called optical center. Now, when the ray of light passes from the lens, then it will converge or diverge from that point. This point is known as F1 or F2. This F is known as principal foci. And number six, this is called focal plane. If you see the or if you imagine any plane through the F1 or F2 or through the foci, this plane is known as focal plane. And number seven, focal length. The distance between optical center O and focal point F1 or F2, this length is known as focal length. We have now two types of focal length: first focal length and second focal length. So here in convex lens, F1 is left side. This is first focal length from O, and F2, this is called second focal length on convex lens. Similarly for concave lens also, F1 is right side from O and F2 is left side from O. These are called first and second focal length. These are the very important terms of lenses.